Oh, hi there. Let's take a look at how to use the discriminant to identify how many roots a quadratic function has. So these ones are fast, you'll be pleased to know. So the discriminant is this part of the quadratic, b squared minus 4ac. That's it. All right, so let's do it for the first one. This is what you do with the discriminant. If the discriminant is greater than 0, meaning this gives you a positive number, you have two roots. If it's exactly equal to 0, you have one root, and that would be a quadratic with its vertex on the x-axis. And then if it's less than 0, you have 0 roots. Less than 0, that means it's a negative number. Okay, so let's take a look at the first one. X squared plus 3x plus 7. So we might do a little a, b, and c, and say our b squared minus 4ac in this case is equal to 3 squared minus 4 times 1, which is a, times 7, which is c. And then we can look at it and say 3 squared is 9. 4 times 7 is already 28. Because there's only one negative in there, that's going to be negative, so this is 0 roots. That fast, right? The discriminant is equal to 9 minus 28. 9 minus 28 is equal to negative 19. Negative 19 is less than 0. We have 0 roots. All right, let's keep going. So this next one, negative 3x squared minus 5x minus 2. This one actually looks promising. It's very, very nearly, anyway, I stopped doing it in my head, b squared. So here we would write negative 5 squared, okay? I don't know what that extra little thing is up there. It's just a weird pen mark. Negative 5 squared is b squared minus 4 times a, which is negative 3, times c, which is negative 2. Okay, and that's equal to 25, which is negative 5 squared, positive 25. Negative 4 times negative 3 is positive 12. Positive 12 times negative 2 is negative 24. So this is equal to 1. 1 is greater than 0, so this has two roots. This next one. Isn't that gross looking? Okay, you could do it one of two ways, folks. I'll do it the long way. You can factor. You could factor out the 125. No problem. The discriminant will still work. It will cancel out if you factor out that 125. But let's say you don't know that. And you say b squared is negative 500 squared minus 4 times a, which is 125, times c, which is 500. All right. And let's work this out. This is equal to, well, 500 squared is a 25 with 4 zeros. Okay. Minus 4 times 125. Well, 4 times 125. 4 times 125. 500. So that's minus 500 times 500. Wait a minute. Wasn't that 500 times 500? Yes, it was. So this gives us 25,000 minus 25,000. Oh, that's equal to 0. That has one root. All right, 3x squared minus 12x plus 10. This one's normal. This one's not a math joke like what I just did to you there. Kind of a math joke. Great big numbers and they equal 0. Math jokes. All right, so here we have b squared. So it's 12 squared. Well, isn't it negative 12? Yeah, sure. Negative 12 squared is the same thing as 12 squared. Minus 4 times a, which is 3, times c, which is 10. Wait, 10's a big number. How's this going to do? 144 is 12 squared. 4 times 3 is 12. So it's 144 minus 120. 12 times 10 is 120. So this is equal to 24. 24 is bigger than 0, so this has two roots. Done. These are fast problems, aren't they? You just use the discriminant and interpret the result, and that tells you how many times that quadratic would touch the x-axis. Ooh, fantastic. Any questions, hit me up by email. Otherwise, thank you very much for showing up for your learning. Bye for now.